Happen. I am Lori Rigsby, and I am on your side. Switch
This is
to
my
Nationwide
tangerine taking a
Insurance
bath.
Call 1-877-NATIONWIDE for a local agent.
One a day Vitacrave, a complete adult multivitamin in a gummy to support energy, immunity, and your inner child. One a day Vitacraves, multivitamin gummies for grown-ups.
At Pizza Hut, we've got a deal for you. Choose any pizza, any size, any crust, and any toppings, and pay just $10. That's any pizza, any size, any crust, and any toppings for just $10. All your favorites, now just $10. Only at Pizza Hut.
If you've been hurt in a car accident, a fall, or any kind of accident, you may be entitled to money.
She's soaking the left. He's soaking the left side of his body, holding that right wing up. Now he'll probably trade.
Price is free. Call 1-800-215-9300. If you've been hurt in any kind of accident, Lawyers Group is waiting for your call.
I think I interrupted his bath.
215-9300.
That's my tangerine. He's so pretty.
The size of condos. A hungry wolf with an attitude problem. And her biggest challenge, defeating 9 cows from around the world, all vying to be the next California happy cow. You voted for her, America. Say hello to Kirsten.
Looks like we're not in Saskatchewan anymore.
You got that right, sister. Welcome to California.
Welcome indeed.
Great milk comes from Happy Cows.
He's cleaning this up
Cows
now.
come from California. Look for dairy brands with the real California seals.
That's suicide. In a way, we all feel responsible.
Female's laughing at him.
The search. Sir.
I really wanted to make my
She probably wants to take a bath too.
my mother. That's even a new low.
Oh, now he's soaking the right side and holding his left wing up.
Continues Wednesday at 10.
Just like he did a while ago, the opposite. He's so pretty. Look at the female. She wants in there too. She says, hey man,
Man, you really stink.
is it my turn yet?
I told you to take the shot. I thought it would be nice for you to get it here. I mean, God
She
knows
wants
I'd
in
love
there
to
too. She says,
Then you
man,
should
I
have
want,
taken the shot.
I want in there too. Oh look, look at all their feet in there. Look. Oh, she's totally taking a bath with him. Oh, this is so cute. All 4 of their feet in the water bowl. Okay, the male moved out of the way. Now the female's bathing. She's holding up one side and soaking the other side, just like the male did. That's my fawn. She's a female.
So, hey Dad, how about a war story?
Yeah, okay.
Now she'll soak the other
Tell you
side,
about the time I
or she should.
didn't miss that North Korean.
How's Jack's over tans? Mom wins again. Well, this is
She's totally enjoying just soaking in the water.
What's that supposed to mean? Oh my God.
There's your babies if I can get them. Oh, no, he's getting on them too fast.
My daughter does not cheat.
Come on, darling. We're
There's the
storming.
babies.
Hold on, I'll storm with you. Take care. Have a lovely afternoon, Mrs. Gorman.
See them? They're so cute. Little baby birdie.
Boys, were you cheating?
Little babies.
Oh, for God's sake. Well, if you weren't such a crappy card player, then I wouldn't have had to cheat.
Little baby
You were gonna
birdies.
lose all your mad money.
Don't got no feathers yet. Little babies.
So I would win. That's not fun. Well, gosh, that's sweet. Yeah. I love you, Mommy.
There's my tangerine.
No, I wouldn't have
He's cleaning himself.
Not when he was that close.
Oh, pretty birdie. Him got a bath. Him feel better.
Hey, did you see the can by that clearing?
I don't believe it. How'd you do that?
Dad, I know how to shoot. Don't you remember my taxi driver phase?
He's so pretty.
I don't want to
Love my tangerine.
I missed on purpose.
Well, I can respect that more than you being a crappy shot. Why didn't you say so?
What do you think?
You really think I've been yelling at you for 17 years?
No. You're probably okay with me as an infant. I just can't remember.
Oh, you're so pretty, Daddy.
Boy, I was
You're
right
so
around
pretty, Daddy.
13 when you started getting a little